Oh, how you going, guys? Kelby here, and Screwdrop Millionaire.
Yeah.
So how you going, matey?
Hi.
Alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you a couple of ultra wide angle lenses. These budget options for your Canon full frame digital SLR. So originally I wanted to get 16 to 35 f2.8 Mark II, but they're still pretty expensive now, like a bit over $1,000 second hand. So I've been looking into a couple of more budget options. These are a couple of older lenses now. So I've got 17 to 40mm f4. So this one was released in 2003, I think. So it's getting pretty old now. And the second one I've got is the 17 to 35 f2.8. And this one was released in 1996, so that's getting real old now. So I was going to give you a quick bit of sample footage from both of them, just to compare the image quality, and a bit of B-roll shots of just what they look like. So they're pretty similar in weight. I think there's about 70 grams difference between the two. The 17 to 35 2.8 being slightly heavier. But they're still relatively light compared to some other lenses, like this 50mm I'm shooting on now, the Sigma Art 50mm 1.8. I think that weighs about 800 grams, so that's a fair bit heavier. And this one's about 500 grams roughly. Alright, so I'll just shoot a bit of footage, test footage with them, and I'll see how they go. Yeehaw! So this is the 17 to 40 millimeter at f4. This is how it looks. This is at 17mm, so it's pretty wide. Yeah, how's it look? How's the autofocus? Look alright? Not too bad. Alright, I'll chuck on the 17 to 35. Hey, get out of it! I'll chuck on the 17 to 35 f2.8. Alright, this is the 17 to 35 2.8. How's it looking? How's the autofocus? Is it 17mm still? Don't know if it looks much different or not. We'll find out soon. Alright, this is 17 to 40mm f4 at 35mm. How's it looking? What do you reckon? Have a look in there, Hol. Have a look. Alright, sit back. How's the autofocus? Should be pretty good, I think. That, mate? Alright, 17 to 35 2.8 at 35mm. How's it looking? Oh, come check for me, Eddie. How's it looking inside the lens? Look like?
I don't know.
Looking alright? I think the focusing distance is a bit further away on this one. Could be wrong. Alright, a quick vlog test. This is on the 16 Mark II with digital image stabilization turned on, so it crops in slightly. 17mm. So yeah, 17 to 40mm f4. How's that look? Alright, I'll chuck on the other one. Righto, here we go, the 17 to 35 f2.8. Much difference between the other one or not? Give us a comment down below and let me know what you reckon. Should be a bit more bokeh in the background, a bit more blur, but I reckon look pretty similar. And yes, I am running a greasy moustache. It's November here in Australia, so grow on the mow. Alright, there you go guys, couple of shots there of both the lenses. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. I reckon the 17-40 f4 is probably the better lens, seems a bit sharper, and the other one seems to have a lot of purple fringing, so that's a bit of a pain in the ass for video, but like if you're just doing photos, and then you can get rid of that in Lightroom pretty easy. Sharpness is probably a bit better on the 17-40 as well, so that's probably, and that is a newer lens as well, so that's probably the pick of them. But if you can get the 17-35 f2 for a cheap price, like it's pretty good value for money for your full frame sensor. So I've just promised Squid Rat I was going to take him to the park after this, since he was being so good helping me out doing this video. There he is over there, mucking around. So better keep me promise and take him to the park. Alright, till the next video, peace!